Welcome everyone! No, dropshipping is not dead. I'm Ella from Zik, and today we're going to learn how to start and grow an eBay dropshipping business. And I'll show you how dropshipping is still quite alive. I mean, look at how much the seller is making in monthly revenue dropshipping on eBay using Amazon as a supplier. So whether you are new to this or just looking to make your business bigger, this video will help you. We will cover everything from the basics of starting up your store to more advanced ways to increase your sales and make more money. So let's start this journey together. But before we start, you might be wondering why you should trust my advice on this topic. Well, let me share a little bit about our background. Our company Zik dives into vast amounts of data from online merchants on a daily basis. We extract actionable insights and real-world market dynamics, including comprehensive analysis of platforms like eBay. This allows us to provide you with advice that's grounded in actual data, not just theories. We are here to guide you through your dropshipping journey with information that's both reliable and relevant. So here's what we're going to cover in today's video. So understanding eBay's policies, setting up your eBay store, warming up your account, finding winning products, listing optimization, scaling, and growing. Let's kickstart this guide with understanding eBay's rules for dropshipping. eBay allows dropshipping, but there is a gray area. Check this out. Even though dropshipping from retail suppliers or from other marketplaces is not allowed, eBay mentions that it may result in actions, but not, in fact, that it may result in penalties. And this is the reason why, till today, many dropshippers are still using retail suppliers successfully, even if it could be risky. And I'm being more specific regarding Amazon. Now that the policies are out of the way, we have to create a store that attracts buyers. So go ahead and jump into ebay.com and sign up for an account. If it's your first time, you can list up to 250 listings without any charge. As your business expands, eBay offers various plans depending on the number of items you want to list. If you already have a personal account on eBay, you can begin selling through that as well. All you need to do is visit ebay.com, click on create an account, and fill in your first and last name, email, and password. Next, you'll need to provide your contact details. It's very important to enter accurate and truthful information here. You'll then click on Start Selling, and eBay will welcome you and introduce you to all of the tools you're likely to use as you sell. And that's basically everything you need to know to set up an eBay account. So now let's talk about choosing a name, creating a logo, and writing your store description. Many people overlook this step, unfortunately, but it's crucial for standing out and building trust with potential buyers. It's not too difficult to choose a name, design a logo, and write an engaging store description. Remember, details like these matter to some buyers. By making this effort, you're more likely to draw in your first customers. So, aim for a personal touch. Consider presenting your store as a family-run business committed to delivering top-notch customer experience and contributing positively to the world. Before listing items, we need a catchy store name. So let's brainstorm. First, we want a versatile name, something that suggests variety. So we're going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT. Can you suggest 10 names for a versatile eBay store? And there you have it. Great. With our store name ready, let's set up our eBay account. Once our account is set, customize your store, add a logo and a storefront banner, and you can create a logo and a storefront banner using Canva. It's free to use. Make sure the logo you're creating using Canva is 300 pixels by 300 pixels in size for optimal visibility on eBay. Then let's make a catchy description that will appear in the About section. In this description, Mention that your primary goal as an eBay seller is to provide quality products and ensure high customer satisfaction for your customers. ChatGPT can help you here as well. Great. So you've set up your eBay store. That's a big step. But setting up a store is just the start. Now you need to fill it with things that people can buy. Okay, guys, here's the deal. To add even more value to this video, once we hit 500 likes, I'll drop a list of 20 winning validated products in the description below, complete with every link you need. This way, you can quickly add these hot items to your store and start selling immediately. So don't forget to hit the like button and get instant access to these ready to sell products. While on the topic of products, this brings me to number 3, warming up your eBay account. Now, this step is crucial for your success. So properly preparing your account is essential for fast sales and avoiding restrictions. It's about gaining momentum, reducing the risk of account restrictions, and preparing to list more items. Let's look at how to do this effectively. So 1, begin by listing 1 or 2 secondhand items from your home, such as a t-shirt, a book, an empty perfume bottle, or in this case, a full one. And this step helps establish trust with eBay and is important when you first ask to increase your selling limits. You don't necessarily need to sell these items, but list them with a shipping location that matches your seller profile, whether local or international. Wait for 2 to 3 days after listing these items before moving on to the next step. So increasing selling limits. This is a continuous part of your selling journey. New eBay accounts have initial limits on how many items you can sell. To list more items and grow your profits, you'll need to regularly ask eBay to increase your limits. This includes calling eBay, and you need to explain that you're a family business with a variety of products from secondhand to new. Now here, persistence is key. You might need to call more than once. Now, what if you're not comfortable speaking English on the phone with an eBay representative? Well, you don't have to worry. You can send them a written message or talk to a customer support representative on chat and share with them the same reason for the limit increase, family business, and so on. Or another option, you can check for the possibility of limit increase on the spot from the eBay Seller Hub. So you're going to have to go to the Overview tab, scroll down and find the monthly limits, and click the link to request to list more. But this will likely work after you reach your selling limits. So it's better to ask for the limit increase over the phone or send an email to the eBay support beforehand. After your first limit increase, you're ready for the next step. And the next step is building feedback. It may seem unusual, but buying inexpensive items to increase your feedback count is a useful strategy. These purchases count as buyer feedback, but still enhance your profile's overall feedback count. This can help build trust with potential customers and improve your sales. Just look for auctions under $1, buy items for about 10 cents or 20 cents, and leave feedback promptly to encourage sellers to do the same for you. Keep this to 2 to 3 feedbacks per day to stay genuine. Continue until you have about 50 to 70 feedbacks or more. After about 5 to 7 days of preparing your account, gaining more feedback, and increasing your selling limits, you're ready to move on. And moving on means finding winning products to dropship on eBay. Also, don't forget to like this video. With only 500 likes, we will get that list of 20 winning validated products in the description below, complete with every link you need. So identifying the right products is vital, but there's another common issue among sellers who don't succeed. They simply don't import enough items to eBay. So I'm going to show you how to swiftly find winning products on Amazon for drop shipping on eBay, aiming for an average profit margin of 10%. Your task is to follow my guidelines, seek out these products, and import them 10 to 15 items daily to eBay. By doing this, you'll be on track to have around 500 active listings in your store by the end of the third month. And with 500 active listings, you can already expect 2 to 5 daily sales. Now, let's dive into the market research software, Zik Analytics. By the way, you can start with $1 trial to access all of Zik's powerful features. For those just starting out, the Pro plan is ideal. I'll be using both the competitor research and product research tools within Zik to uncover winning items. Let's get right into it and see those tools and revolutionize your product finding strategy. Okay, guys, so as we log on to Zik, we land on the Market Insights dashboard. This is where you'll find profitable products, perfect for those who have just set up their eBay account and are ready to list items immediately. First things first, let's fine-tune your seller settings to match your business model. So here we're going to go ahead and select ebay.com as the marketplace, choose dropshipping, and your business type set on Amazon and as your source website. And there you have it, over 50 profitable products ready for you to list. We update this list daily with unique products, so you don't need to worry about oversaturation or heavy competition. You can find products like this one. But that's not all. We're also going to use the market insights to identify other dropshippers to spy on. This is one of the most effective strategies to discover profitable products. Let's explore how the competitor research method works in Zik. First, head into the market insights, and at the bottom left corner, you can see the trending dropshippers. You can simply click on the detective icon next to any dropshipper listed there or all of them, and in seconds, you'll have a list of these dropshippers, and you can see their profile, and you can open the competitor research tool. Now here, you can view their statistics, and of course, their best-selling items to identify potential winners. So our criteria for winning products are those with at least 2 to 3 sales per week or 4 to 5 sales in 14 days. Write that down. So utilize the filters to narrow down these items. So you're going to have to click on the item finder to reveal the corresponding Amazon listings. Now you can either save these products to a folder for easy listing via Zik's integration, or you can choose to list them manually. Another great way to find winning products from Amazon fast is using Autopilot. This life-changing tool will help you to scale and quickly find products from Amazon that are profitable to dropship on eBay. Using Autopilot in just a few minutes, you can see how many profitable items and choose which ones you prefer to upload to your eBay store. These are the settings I recommend to add to get profitable items using Autopilot. Supplier, Amazon, product category, all, unless there is a specific niche in your store, Prime only for better shipping time and customer care, handle by Amazon customer support, and sales minimum of 4. Now we have price of minimum $15 and sales date range 30 days and number of products maximum 200. All I need to do now is to pick the products I want to add and save them into my products folder on Zik. From there, I can list it to my eBay store. Zik has many more features to explore. To learn more, check out our other videos or try Zik for yourself for just $1. Now that we've identified the right products, it's time to take the next step, importing them into our store. So guys, if you're still here, it proves you're serious about making money dropshipping on eBay. I salute you. If you have any other questions about things I'm not covering here, let me know by commenting below. and I'll get back to you. So now let's go into the listing optimization part. Now that you've identified your products, the next step is importing them to eBay. There are several ways to do this, from auto listers to Chrome extensions to manual methods. However, for scalability and integration with Zik, tools like AutoDS are highly recommended. AutoDS simplifies the listing process with automation features, including auto ordering and even fulfillment services for some popular suppliers. With Zik, you can save items to folders, optimize their title with the title builder tool, and then with just a click, import them to AutoDS and then to your store. Zik supports several other tools too, so it's worth checking out the integration options on Zik's website or within the app. Here's how it works with AutoDS. After integration, AutoDS with Zik, you go to the Zik folder, click Upload All, and all of your items will be added to AutoDS. From there, you can optimize the titles, update specifics, and launch your products on eBay. So that was an easy step. Let's move on to scaling and growing. Running just one eBay store is risky. If you really want to scale your business and ensure your security, you need to run multiple stores. That's key to make more sales and profits while protecting you if one store gets suspended by eBay. My strategy for creating multiple eBay seller accounts will help you achieve this. First, we want to create multiple eBay accounts without linking them. It's crucial to create a clean environment that can keep them completely separate. So this requires using a unique IP address in browser for each account creation. Here is how you set up your environment. Download Firefox Portable. Get mobile IP proxy. Set up your Firefox Portable with the proxy. Create an account on real information, such as family or friends. And if you don't trust your friends and your family, you can also create accounts on LLC or a company you created. Always use a new phone number for each account you create. That does not mean you have to buy 5 new phones. You can use Skype or purchase a pay-as-you-go SIM card to obtain a new number and you're set. Now, let's talk about banking. When a buyer pays for the products listed in your store, eBay will be the one who is in charge of transferring the payment to your bank account. This service is called eBay Managed Payments, and it requires us to have a bank account that can receive the funds from eBay. If you own a US bank account under the same name as the eBay account owner, you can connect your bank account to eBay. If you don't have a US bank account, a Revolt or Payoneer can be a great option for you because these platforms are excellent for receiving payments from eBay in US currency. Once the payment arrives, you can transfer the balance to your personal bank account. Keep in mind that it's important to ensure that the names and addresses on Payoneer or Revolt match the information used to create the eBay account. Another great option is to issue a debit card from Payoneer or Revolt and use this card to purchase the products for your customers from Amazon. The payments will be deducted from your Payoneer Revolt dollar balance, which you have already earned from previous eBay transactions. The advantage of using this method is that it is cost effective because it's dollar to dollar transactions with no conversion fees involved. If things go well, also think about hiring virtual assistants to manage your everyday operations for the store, like customer service, listing new items, and many more, so you can have more time to manage the growth and expansion of your eBay business. Wow. We talked about a lot today, from starting your eBay dropshipping business to growing it. Remember, success comes from hard work, learning, and changing what you need. I look forward to seeing where your eBay business goes. So please subscribe for more guides and tips. We're always here for you. And good luck.